Day 24 for us, day 26 for these chickens, birds. They're big now. We've put a different full-size feeder in here now, and they're keeping busy at it. They're all taking a rest right now. This must be a rooster because you can see he's got more of a pronounced comb and wattle. It's brighter colors than these than most of the other ones who have these little pea combs, and they're real pale. So I think they're hens. I think that must be a cockerel is the term. Really, really big and fat now. Here's the little Black Australorps. That's the boy right there. Little bugger's going after the string. He's getting it too. Alright. These are good birds. So that's today's update. Raised their food up a little bit off of the bottom of the floor of the brooder. Put fresh wheat straw in here earlier. Just changed out the bedding to keep it fresh. They're having fun with the string here on the camera that's dangling down there. It's driving them crazy. Who wants it? You want some of that? You want it, don't you? Get it. What about you? You don't want to play it, alright? You want to play that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Alright. So that's today's update. They're getting some nice black feathering going on. When all their feathering is done, they'll be solid black. There won't be any of the white left. They'll be solid black. That's how you know they've got all their feathers. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow.
This is a rooster, and it's got Australorp. The rest are hens. There are girls there. And this one is a big one. See, he's getting all black and light. I don't know what color. He's getting gray. See his little comb coming in?
Where is that at? Can you tell me the different parts of the chicken?
There's the comb. His little eyes are so cute if you do that. Here's the ears. Do you see them right there?
Yep.
These right here. His little mouth. He pecks if you do that.
That's his beak.
Yeah, beak. Wattles coming out somewhere. You don't see it that much.
Yeah, how old is he? He's like 24 days old?
24 days old,
I think that's right.
And I think he's 8, but he's a big one. And see, that's him. Want me to show you one of the hens?
Sure, you can show us a hen.
I'll put him down for you. See, a little hen. And this is the black one. It's and I think it's the hen. See his beak is black. See there? And bottom's red. Their feet getting black. And those over there are yellow.
Whoa!
Can't take it. They always squiggle around. Ooh, pasty butt. Is it okay, boy? Little girl. Whatever. Come here. Now this is a calm down. Now this is a hen.
That's a hen too?
See, her bottom of her feet are dirty. See her little cute eyes. The ears you can see that are on her. You see the little ash nose there on her beak. He's cute, you see it?
Okay, she's gonna poop on your head.
Did she get poop on? It feels like it. Here's our little cute one. She calmed down.
Okay.
See that? That's the mouth.
Yeah.